Renovation. Renovation. Renovation.
Renovations.
Noun. 1.
The act of improving by renewing and restoring.
2.
The state of being restored to its former good condition.
Listen and practice.
The inn was a renovation of a colonial house. The inn was a renovation of a colonial house. Part of caring for strawberries is renovation. Part of caring for strawberries is renovation. They are pursuing a general program of renovation to the entire property. They are pursuing a general program of renovation to the entire property.
Renovation.